Today we're looking at a couple bread makers that my wife picked up. She got them for pennies on the dollar, and we're going to check them out now. So these two bread makers that we picked up, we got one that's an Oster. It is a pretty nice looking machine. We picked this machine up used for $22.50. $22.50. It was almost not used at all. Came complete with the manual, which is important, and you can see how the company Oster wanted you to make bread in it. It gives you all the settings and everything that you need. So if you're looking for a used bread maker, at least make sure you come with the manual. Now this one is in really tip-top shape. The bread pan is really cool design. It doesn't twist and lock like some of them. It just pushes down and locks. Just like that with a solid click. It's all digital readout. It's got a nice oven. Got a see-through top. Made by Oster. We picked it up for $22.50. Now this one over here, this Nesco American Harvest Bread Classic. Digital readout. Nice oven. Smaller baking pan inside. Locks down just like most of them. Probably all of them. It's got a bunch of settings on it. This one we picked up for $12.50. Now, it seems, my wife has found that she's coming across these bread makers and they look brand new. They look like nobody's ever used them. And when we talk to friends, a lot of friends say the same thing, that they have bread makers and they've never used them. So pick one up cheap, guys. Put the ingredients in there, make yourself some bread. It's easier than you think.
Okay, so we are going to use a Nesco bread maker, and this is our menu, directions how to use it, and this is the recipe that I'm gonna make: easy banana bread, 1.5 pound loaf, and the ingredients are as follow: 2 large eggs, 1/3 cup butter, 1 ounce milk, which is 2 tablespoons, 2 bananas mashed, 1/3 cups bread flour, 2/3 cup sugar, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, 1 or 2 teaspoon baking soda, a half teaspoon salt, and a half chopped walnuts, nuts, which I'm going to use walnuts or pecans. Okay, so we're going to do first is the wet ingredients, put it in the bread pan, and then after we do that, then we're going to do the dry ingredients. We're going to mix it in a bowl, which I already did. So we have here the eggs, 2 eggs, 1/3 cup butter, 1 ounce milk or 2 tablespoons, and 2 bananas mashed. And here are the dry ingredients. I have 1/3 cup bread flour, 2/3 cup sugar, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, I have 1 or 2 teaspoon baking soda, a half teaspoon salt, and the nuts will be at the end when the machine beeps. Okay, we're going to put the wet ingredients, and the first listed is 2 large eggs, butter, 2 tablespoons of milk, and 2 mashed bananas. That's all for the wet ingredients. And I already mixed the dry ingredients. All right, and that's it. We're gonna put it in the bread machine. We're using our Nesco bread classic bread maker, and this one has different settings and menus. This one has a basic French whole wheat, quick, sweet, ultra fast. Number 7 is dessert, 8 is for pasta, 9 is for dough, 10 is for jam, 11 for cake, and 12. Number 12 is for bake. And This is a small unit. And then we're going to put our ingredients right now. And the bread pan. And it's supposed to lock. I think it did. Okay. So everything is good. It's looking good. Okay. And then we're gonna use number 4. Okay, we're gonna select number 4.
There you go.
Okay, there it is, number 4, just really small. And then for the color, I guess, oh, I see light, medium, and dark. So you want light or medium?
Medium.
Okay, we're gonna do medium. And then this is for delay time, if we wanna do the loaf later. And the loaf size, I guess, is small,
Small or large?
right there. And start. All right, it's making noise. It's okay. And it says it's 1 hour and 58. 2 hours. Okay, this is has finished, and this is our final product of this quick banana bread with nuts. I put walnuts in there and pecans. It looks good. It baked really good. I didn't have any issues with this making it. Okay, so little twist and take it out. And it looks wonderful. Gotta take it out of the box. Well, see, I just want to loose up a little bit of the sides just to make sure the bread comes quickly. Hopefully it's not stuck in there. Oh, I got it in my hand. Oh, look how little it is.
Yeah.
Well, we gotta put it in this rock, because if not, it gets soggy. Oh, it's really hot. Okay. I'm gonna have to use this thing. All right. Okay, so this is my second banana bread. And okay, it looks pretty good. Looks pretty dense. All right, so I guess I'm gonna cut it this way. Oh, look at this. This got it's more brown than the other one inside. Looks really good.
Yes,
I can see more the nuts than the other one. All right, and then I think I'm gonna cut it this way. Try not to break it. Still hot. Yeah, I think this one's a little bit sweeter than the other one. Yeah, it's very fluffy. Very fluffy. Look at that. It's like it feels like it's gonna fall apart.
Like a cake.
Like a cake. All right, so here you have it, guys. Here you have the final product. So definitely it's not like sweet. It's just good enough to have it, to eat it with. You can put jam in there on top, peanut butter, anything that you like, and straight to your mouth. This one is sweeter than the other one that I made. Tastes more like a cake, a banana cake.